Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm the Magic Card Man. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do the Charlie A cut or the one-handed shuffle. Yo, so how do you do this? How do you do the one-handed shuffle? You hold it in mechanic's grip just like this. Pointer finger, index finger here, pinky here, thumb here, middle finger here, and ring finger here. Hold it just like this. With your thumb to push off about half of the deck, just like this. Hold it. And use your pointer finger or your index finger, put it on the bottom, right in the, kind of close to the middle of the bottom of the deck. And then kind of push up, hold it just like this. Hold it with these fingers right here and your thumb, if you can. And just push up and let go, just like that. And in fast motion, it should look something like that. Yo, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. And turn on those notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.